Hi, I'm Brenda with remote.it, and today I'm coming from a coffee shop where I have connected to the local Wi-Fi, and I actually need to connect to a Microsoft SQL instance in AWS, and this IP address has not been added to the allow list. And if I needed to contact a DevOps person to add this one, it wouldn't be a good idea because this is a public Wi-Fi IP address, and so there could be somebody sniffing, or it just would take a long time with the DevOps person and it might never happen. So let's get started. I've re-recorded the audio here because of noise in the parking lot. I've previously installed remote.it on my desktop and opened the application and signed in. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi at the coffee shop, and again, I am not using an IP allowed list or a VPN. I've selected the remote.it organization that I'm a part of, and then selecting the AWS EC2 device where the MSSQL database is located. I then select the MSSQL replica service and click Add to Network, which will create the connection. Once connected, it will give me a URL with a port that I can use in Azure Data Studio, which is a local application I use to make queries against my database. I'm now switching over to Azure Data Studio, where I've entered in that URL followed by a comma and the port, which is how Azure Data Studio wants the information to be entered. I've also put in the username and password for this database, and I'm going to click Connect. Once connected, I can explore the server and see all the databases. And I'm going to actually select the Analytics database here and look at the tables. And I'm going to select the top 1,000 records from this particular table hardware types. As you can see here, this is just like if I was querying this locally, or if I was on a VPN, or I was on an IP allow list. I hope you enjoyed seeing the power of what remote.it can do. Click like or subscribe, and leave us comments below for more videos like this.